it's me Anirban and back here with another brand new video on my channel. So in today's video we will be unboxing this JPT foam dispenser. So we have separately purchased it from Amazon because previously, if you have already watched our previous videos, in my previous videos I have already discussed about this Agaro pressure pump. So if you haven't watched that video out yet, you will find that link in the description box down below. From there you can easily check out that video, and after watching that I would recommend you to watch this particular video where I will be showing you that how the foam is basically generated so that you can wash your car or your two-wheeler properly in a most effective manner. Because the foam dispenser that basically comes inside this particular pressure pump actually is not that much effective in creating such a kind of thick or clinging foam. So in order to achieve that particular purpose, a good quality foam, so we have to purchase this kind of JPT separate foam dispensers. So I will be showing you how to use it, how to attach it with your existing gun nozzle, and everything I will be explaining in this particular video. So stay tuned till the end of this video. And also, before we jump right into this particular video, I would be recommending you that you can purchase any of these items from my description box down below. I will be providing the purchase links there as well, so that it becomes easier for you to purchase these items after watching this particular video. And so just sit back, relax, grab a cup of coffee, and without wasting any more time, let's dive right in. So let's start first unboxing the foam dispenser first. So as you can see that it comes in this kind of yellow and red colored box, and overall the box looks average in build quality as well. So at the back side you will be getting some instructions where it is clearly mentioned that this bottle basically consists of 1 liter capacity, that is of 1000 ml, and 100 ml of you can put the soap, and the other 900 ml you can add any kind of lukewarm water, or you can use any normal water. So as you can see that this is basically the connecting tap, as you can see here, that basically connects to your bottle so that you can attach it with your gun nozzle. So it basically comes with this kind of pipe so that you can easily create a good quality of foam, so that it becomes easier for you to generate such kind of foam. So each also comes with this kind of 1/4 connector as well for easy connecting. So that's, as you can see here, you can easily connect it with your nozzle. So at the body of the bottle also, on the body you will be getting this kind of markings where there is marking from 100 ml to 900 ml you will be getting the markings, and 1000 ml, that is 1 liter, is the maximum capacity of it. At the top you will be getting this kind of rotating button using which you can basically adjust the flow or the pressure of water that will enter inside the bottle, so that it basically is used to generate how much amount of foam you want to generate, that is the pressure of the foam, the thickness of the foam can be adjusted like that. Also you can easily connect it with the gun as well, as you can see here. Now I will be showing another method. So this particular foam dispenser that I have already unboxed in this particular video. So with this foam dispenser you get this bottle with this type of cap, and also this kind of 1/4 connector as well. But if you want a longer nozzle, then you can also check out another purchase link that is there in the description box down below, where I have already mentioned that there is a nozzle, that is a nozzle rod is there. That combination you can also buy. Another way you can connect is that by using that nozzle. So I have already got that particular nozzle with my existing that pump that I purchased. So there also I got this particular nozzle, but in any case if you don't get this kind of nozzle, you can also purchase them separately. I will be providing the link in the description box. So overall, if we talk about the material that is being used in this particular bottle, so here brass and ABS is basically used. So actually this particular item basically requires 70 bars to 1000 psi pressure so that it can generate good quality foam. So the shampoo that we will be using here, don't worry, I will be providing all the links in the description box down below. So the shampoo that we will be using here is from the brand called Shine X Pro. So I personally have used this particular shampoo several times while washing my two-wheeler as well. So overall it is a good quality shampoo, and also it doesn't cause any kind of harm to the paint of your car or any kind of two-wheeler that you have. So after adding that, you basically measure the quantity proportionately. That is, for example, for 100 ml of shampoo you will be requiring 900 ml of lukewarm water that needs to be mixed together gently. So in order to that, you can proportionately measure your quantity. So as you can see that after inserting that, you need to basically adjust the orifice, as you can see here at the front. So after that, I will be showing you that how the connections are basically made. So in detail, if you want to know how the pump actually works and what are the features of the pump, you can check out my previous video. I have explained everything in that particular video. The link will also be there in the description box. So after adding that shampoo and water, please gently shake the bottle for a couple of times, and after that attach it with your gun nozzle. So previously what basically most people do is that they directly apply the foam, but I would rather recommend you to first of all clean your two-wheeler or your car first with the jet water. As you can see here, in jet mode you can set it and you can clean that particular area of your car, so that whenever you apply foam and rub it, it doesn't produce any kind of scratches or anything if any kind of sticky or dust particles are there. So it is better to clean your car thoroughly with running water before applying that particular jet foam or that spray. So as you can see that I am applying that particular foam. As you can see that a thick quality unclinking foam is produced, and it is getting stuck to the body of the car as well very effectively, and very thick quality of foam is being generated, as you can see here. So after that, make sure that you first of all apply from the applying from the top of your car or from the body or the side panel of your car, and then slowly move on with the rest of the portions of your car, such as the wheel, that is the front portion, the back portion, the rear mirrors as well, and also the ORVMs. After that, you slowly apply this particular foam, as you can see here. So make sure that you don't put this foam inside any specific particular part of your car which is sensitive areas. You need to avoid them as well. So make sure that you apply them effectively. So we also tried out the inbuilt that container that came with the previous pump, but that was not as much effective as this one, that is the JPT one. So we didn't consider that. So after that, you apply the foam. Please use gently wipe the car's body as well. So you can use this kind of hand grip rubbing scrubbers as well. I will be providing those links in the description box as well, so that it basically gives you a more better grip and also helps you to intensely and effectively clean your car's body. As you can see that it basically provides a better grip, so that you can basically rub the surfaces where the dust can get stuck to, and so you can easily clean them. So as I am showing you that you can gently rub them. So make sure that you rub your car gently, not use because don't use any kind of other type of clothes as well, that is the clothes. You don't use those kind of clothes because it can create any kind of scratches whatsoever. So it is better to use any kind of this kind of scrubbers, that is the these are very much effective as well, and also provides very good cleaning and serves the very good cleaning purpose. So as you can see that after applying the foam, please make sure that you use these scrubbers as well to gently wipe the surfaces and remove any kind of dust particles that may have got stuck to your car's body, so that whenever you wash it for the last time, you get a clear the body gets cleared as well. So as you can see that after you have completed with the body part, then gently move to the tires and the rims area. After that, you make sure that you dry out that particular cloth or wash it under running water before you basically rub the glass portion or any kind of glass area that is of your car, that is the front glass panel or the door panels. So after that you can wipe them gently, as you can see here. So it basically, as I am telling you, that it provides a better grip as well as compared to any other normal clothes, because make sure that you use any kind of microfiber cloth to wipe your car whenever it is dirty, because any kind of other clothes or any kind of other items that you will be using to rub your car may hamper it and can also remove any kinds of paints or can create scratches as well. So in order to get rid of that, basically it is advisable to use any kind of microfiber cloths or these kind of hand grips as well. You can use it. So after you have thoroughly cleaned your car, it's time to clean the or remove the foam out of your car. That is, as you can see that after that you set your nozzle to the jet spray mode and gently clean out the surfaces. As you can see that make sure that none of the edges consist of any kind of foam or whatsoever. Make sure that you thoroughly clean your car with the jet spray. As you can see that after cleaning it, you will give a shining glow as if you have purchased your car recently. So you will get that kind of glow if you basically follow these steps, and then only you can effectively clean your car. So as you can see that after everything is done, make sure to wipe your car's body off gently with any kind of microfiber cloth. Basically use a higher micron microfiber cloth so that it can absorb a greater amount of water. At the same time, you don't need to rub the surfaces again and again. So it is better to use a good quality microfiber cloth to wipe out the extra water that is present after you jet spray that whole body. As you can see that after you have done that, gently wipe the surfaces. As you can see that my father is wiping the whole car. As you can see that you basically, if possible, start from the window surfaces and the glass surfaces, and then slowly move to the other parts of the car, that is the bonnet, the side doors, and then the headlights. After that, make sure to use a higher micron microfiber cloth, as you can see that so that you can gently rub out the extra amount of water that might be present. So one last thing I would like to mention is that all the items that I have shown in this particular video, I will be providing the link in the description box down below, so that you can go there and check out those items and purchase them as well. So please make sure that you have subscribed to my channel, so that whenever I post this kind of interesting videos, you will get notified about them first. And thank you so much. And so that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed it and found this product really helpful for yourself, please share this video with your family members and friends, so that if they are also searching for this kind of JPT foam dispensers for themselves, then this can be a very right buying choice for them as well. So please share this video, and if you liked it, do give it a thumbs up. And also thank you so much for watching this video once again. I catch you guys in the next one.